So people nowadays are saying that kids have started behaving like adults, and no doubt in saying that. Whenever you talk to a kid of some 5 years or 6 years, they will start reacting to your questions instead of responding. For example, in KBC, there was this boy, I don't want to take his name, and this boy reacted. It's not called a response, it's called a reaction to what Amitabh Bachchan sir was saying. He was explaining the rules. There were two types of people who took this situation in two different ways. Like, first set of people, they said that this child is very confident, and the other set of people on the same social media platform, they were saying that this child sounds arrogant, which was so true in some or the other ways. But the truth behind all this is that nowadays, there is only one child, and you can hear this term is a six pocket syndrome. So there are basically six people who are engaged with the kid. They are giving all the attention. Whatever he's asking, everybody is getting that. Because of all that, the child is getting nurtured in this way. And this is the outcome that we have all seen on KBC platform, right? Now coming to the point that the social media is exposing this child, is trolling this child, and somewhere you and me, we are also engaged in all this type of discussion basically. So what I would say is, I think there is an urgent need that parents should learn parenting first of all. So if I would take myself into the time when I was a kid, so that time our parents used to be protective, but at the same time, they used to sit with us. They used to spend time with us. But the time has changed now totally. Okay, now the parents cannot give their time to the kids because of extreme level of workload at their workplaces, and they're engaged in so many things. And that's how the child is not getting that proper attention. So I think instead of trolling directly without giving a thought to just a small kid, I think that's not a smart way, right? As a viewer, as a social media platform user, it becomes our responsibility. Instead of trolling the child, we should focus upon the danger that it is causing to all the kids around us. So it's a humble request to all the parents of current generation basically, to not let the child speak anything, even if they are saying something and you're ignoring at this particular moment, it might turn out into something very big, as you can see on the platform of KBC.